According to latest reports, the Biden administration is expected to approve the sale of armed variant of MQ-9B drones to India under the foreign military sales route, which will be the first approval of the new elected US president. The MQ-9B can be configured with cross-domain capabilities for a vast range of surveillance operations as well as anti-surface warfare and anti-submarine warfare operations, and these drones will play a huge role in counter-operations, as well as countering the fast-expanding Chinese Navy into the Indian Ocean region. There are reports that India has reduced the requirement from 22 units to 12 units, and the procurement would cost around $1 billion. Top officials of Aeronautical Development Agency have confirmed that the agency will be showcasing the advanced cockpit model of the AMCA Mark I fighter jet at the upcoming Aero India 2021, that will feature touchscreen wide area displays with 3D output for better user interface, voice-activated commands for hands-free operations of basic functions for the pilots, artificial intelligence to provide 360-degree situational awareness to the pilot, a collision avoidance system and advanced sensors that will be able to take control of the aircraft if the pilot becomes unresponsive. Hindustan Aeronautics will deliver the first batch of 3 indigenous light combat helicopters from the 15 limited series production batch to the Indian Air Force and the Army before 31st March, and once the order is placed at the Aero India 2021, HAL will deliver the remaining 12 helicopters in the next financial year. The DRDO-developed Dhruv Astral anti-tank guided missile will soon be tested by a joint team of the Indian Army and the Air Force, and once the joint trials are over, both the 8 km range Dhruv Astra and 20 km range Sunt anti-tank guided systems will be cleared for induction on Rudra armed helicopters and pre-production batches of light combat helicopters by mid of 2021. The chairman of Hindustan Aeronautics has said that HAL has proposed an indigenous Super Sukhoi upgrade program to the Indian Air Force, and the company is pursuing with Indian Air Force headquarters for the project approval. The first 50 Russian-produced Su-30 fighters will not get this upgrade, and the Air Force might retire them from 2035 onwards. The indigenous upgrade package includes a scaled-up version of the indigenous AESA fire control radar, advanced long-range infrared search and track system developed by Bharat Electronics Limited to detect stealth fighters, advanced cockpit with high-resolution displays with multifunction control panel and artificial intelligence-enabled voice-activated controller system, indigenous solid-state digital video recording system, enhanced TW suite, advanced self-protection jammer, new digital flight control computer with higher processing power, indigenous air-to-air and air-to-ground systems, and the package also includes 20 more smaller but significant upgrades. The squadron leader of the first Rafale squadron of the Indian Air Force has said that the newly inducted Rafale fighter jets are fully ready to undertake any challenge from the northern frontiers to the southern borders. Addressing the media on the completion of Exercise Desert Night 2021, the Indian Air Force Chief has said that the French Rafale fighter is a serious contender for the ongoing MMRCA project to buy 114 combat fighters. He also said that if China tries to get aggressive along the line of actual control, the Indian Armed Forces can also be very aggressive. Bharat Electronics Limited has said that the company has exported nearly $48.6 million worth of equipment during the fiscal year 2019 to 2020, and the products exported includes communication systems, coastal surveillance system, missile systems, radars and EW systems. The company has also operationalized overseas marketing offices in Oman, Vietnam, Sri Lanka and Myanmar, and has also expanded its Singapore and New York regional offices to handle marketing activities, and will establish similar offices in Nigeria, Armenia, Brazil and Kazakhstan.